Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna see how to add a local printer in Windows 10, 8 or 7. Firstly, plug in the power cable and USB cable of the printer and turn it on. Windows may automatically begin installing drivers. Just type printers in the Windows search bar, then click on printers and scanners under system settings. Now all you have to do is add the printer. Just click add the printer or scanner. Then wait for Windows to detect the printer. When it's done, select your printer when it appears and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. And that's it guys. If Windows doesn't find the printer automatically, it would be easier for you to do it manually. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.